Hello, it's Salim. In today's video, I will show you how to clean drum brake or disc brake with a specific brake cleaner and dish soap water and see which one gives us better result. So after removing the wheel and using WD-40 on these places, I'm gonna use a 12mm bolt and screw it here. It will pop up the drum without needing to use a hammer. We have so much brake dust, road grime and mud here. We need something to clean this all before doing any brake adjusting. Okay, first I will use CRC Brake cleaner. It's specifically made for removing brake dust and oil. With brake cleaner, we can see the brake dust being dissolved, but I'm not sure how to clean the mud. I have already used half of the can, but still we have dust. When the cleaner dried out, we can see all the mud remaining and then remove them all. Next I will use mixture of dish soap and water and spray it on the entire brake and use my detailing brush and clean all the corners. That's what I always do before doing any brake adjusting. Some of you might ask, this procedure will wash out all the lubricant. It's the same if you use brake cleaner, it will remove all the oil and lubricant. But the point here is, every component here are sealed, like a brake piston and the bearing. Plus, this part here always get wet when you're driving in a heavy rain and there is no problem. Here I'm using pressure washer, but you can use garden hose as well. If the bearing lose the rubber seal or got damaged for any reason, they won't hold the grease and it won't last that long. Because when you drive and the friction creates heat, it will soften all the grease and push them out. Let's talk about lubrication after cleaning. I never use any type of lubrication after doing this job. These arms actually works better when they are dry and brake dust around them. If I use any type of lubricant, all the brake dust will be like a magnet and stay there and make these moving parts hard to move in a long term. But when it's all dry, all the brake dust won't stick to any moving part. So here is the result with brake cleaner and here is with the dish soap and water. If you're doing this procedure in your garage, better to clean it with water and dish soap. But it won't be possible for a dealer to bring water inside the garage and wash for you like this. It's easier to use a spray can for them. So let me know which one would you prefer in a comment section below. Hope you guys found the video useful and know why I would prefer washing instead of brake cleaner. If you found the video useful and learned something new, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.